to the Healthier Munch, your go-to channel for embracing a wholesome lifestyle through healthy foods, enlightening food facts, cooking inspiration, and overall wellness. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of lives worldwide: diabetes. Join us as we explore the major types of diabetes, their causes, and discover effective strategies for prevention. Let's get started. First, let's explore type 1 diabetes. This type of diabetes is an autoimmune disease where the body's immune system attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Let's understand its causes and learn about healthy prevention strategies. Type 1 diabetes is primarily caused by genetic and environmental factors. While it cannot be prevented, managing the condition is essential. Regular blood sugar monitoring, insulin therapy, a balanced diet, and regular exercise are a key in managing type 1 diabetes and promoting overall health. Now, let's move on to type 2 diabetes, the most common type. This form of diabetes occurs when the body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough of it. Let's understand its causes and explore healthy prevention strategies. Type 2 diabetes is primarily caused by lifestyle factors, including sedentary behavior, poor dietary choices, and obesity. However, making positive lifestyle changes can help prevent or manage this condition. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet rich in whole foods, weight management, and regular checkups with healthcare professionals are vital for preventing type 2 diabetes. Now, let's discuss gestational diabetes, which develops during pregnancy and usually resolves after childbirth. Let's understand what it is, its causes, and healthy prevention strategies. Gestational diabetes is caused by hormonal changes during pregnancy that affect insulin sensitivity. While it cannot always be prevented, healthy habits can help manage this condition. Monitoring blood sugar levels, maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and closely following the guidance of healthcare professionals are key in managing gestational diabetes. Next, let's explore monogenic diabetes, a rare genetic form of diabetes. Let's understand what it is, its causes, and healthy prevention strategies. Monogenic diabetes is caused by genetic mutations that affect insulin production and function. While prevention may not be possible due to its genetic nature, early detection and management are crucial. Genetic testing, regular checkups, a balanced diet, and regular physical activity can help individuals with monogenic diabetes lead healthy lives. Lastly, let's discuss cystic fibrosis-related diabetes, which is associated with cystic fibrosis, a genetic disorder. Let's understand what it is, its causes, and healthy prevention strategies. Cystic fibrosis-related diabetes occurs due to the impact of cystic fibrosis on the pancreas and insulin production. While prevention may not be possible, managing cystic fibrosis through appropriate medical care, including enzyme replacement therapy, can help minimize the risk and maintain better control of blood sugar levels. And there you have it, our exploration of the major types of diabetes, their causes, and healthy prevention strategies. Remember, at the Healthier Munch, we're dedicated to providing you with the knowledge and inspiration to lead a wholesome lifestyle through healthy foods, enlightening food facts, cooking inspiration, and overall wellness. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions, and share it with your friends and family. Remember, your health is your greatest asset.